Whether you're taking your boat to the lake or you're camping in the mountains or anything in between, CURT's got you covered. Let's take a look at their new line of Next trailer brake controllers. So first up, we've got the Discovery Next brake controller. The Discovery Next can handle 2 to 8 trailer brakes at a time, making it suitable for setups with 1 to 4 axles. It's compatible with various brake types, and the LED display offers a mountain of control options. You can adjust power in 0.5 increments. Plus, you can adjust the brightness for day or nighttime towing. And now let's take a look at the TriFlex Next brake controller. It's packed with features that'll make your towing experience smoother than ever. With a triple-axis motion sensing accelerometer, this controller ensures highly responsive and smooth stops. Just like the Discovery Next, the TriFlex Next controls 2 to 8 trailer brakes at a time, with compatibility for different brake types. The TriFlex Next has automatic leveling and calibration, eliminating setup hassles. And finally, the Venturer Next brake controller. This compact time delay brake controller is designed for those who crave simplicity without sacrificing functionality. This controller handles 2 to 6 trailer brakes with 1 to 3 axles effortlessly. It's compatible with various brake types, and its slim profile ensures it won't clutter your dash. And if you want to know more about any of the CURT Next trailer brake controllers or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.